geometry students to class today on this Thursday, the 10th. We have a lot to do today, like always. Please get out your notes, notebooks, pens, papers, calculators, books, and let's get started. We have a lot to do today. Please listen to these announcements. They are your responsibility. There will be a quiz tomorrow. I will go over later during this video what will be on your quiz. At this time, go ahead and turn your homework from yesterday. Page 64, numbers 8 through 22 and 28 through 30. And let's talk about this for a second. When I give you homework on Wednesday, I believe firmly in obeying the rules. Okay? I do not break the rules. I expect you to obey the rules. At Berean and I do the same thing. Now, yesterday's video was 15 minutes long. The homework video was about 10 minutes long. That's 25 minutes in class. That leaves 25 minutes extra. Now, I know that we did a review activity. I understand that. But when I give you homework in class on Wednesday, it's always a reasonable amount. Also, I even go a step further. If you don't finish it in class, you don't have to finish it at home. But we're going to start a new policy starting next Wednesday from now on, or for that matter, any day that I give an assignment. And Mrs. Duke, this will be up to you, but if any student is not working during homework time, then you let me know, especially on a Wednesday. If it's a Wednesday and they're not working hard, then that student will have to finish the entire assignment because they're not working hard in class. So then they need to work at their house Wednesday night. So I want to be very clear about that. I heard that some students were complaining about that. I'm very fair with the rules. Usually I don't make you finish a Wednesday homework assignment, but if you're not working in class, then that's a little different. Now, I've also heard that some students have been doing homework. This should be doing right here. Some students have been doing homework in class from the night before. Mrs. Duke, you collect the homework. Like right now, this assignment here, once you collect it, no one else should be working on homework. So if they are, feel free to let me know, and I will take points off their homework assignment, okay? Now you can turn it in later. That's fine, but don't work on it during class. If you don't have this assignment done right here, then you don't work on it during class. You take notes, and you work on the homework assignment that you're supposed to work on during class, okay? Alright, very good. Any more problems with that? Mrs. Duke lets me know, and she and I will deal with it. Incompletes, let's see what we have here for you guys. Incompletes are Dakota. I did not get Tuesday's assignment from you, okay? Page 56, these numbers here. So you have until Friday to get that turned in, or it will become a permanent zero, okay? Friday, or it will become a permanent zero. Today we will be going over what will be on your quiz tomorrow. Then we're going to take some notes, and we're going to work on homework today like usual. The video today is about complementary and supplementary angles. You've probably had that in the past. So as you can see, we are continuing to look at the segments and angles in this chapter. Not only will we be looking at complementary and supplementary angles, but we will also be learning a definition for adjacent angles. We will also be learning a definition for the word theorem. Okay, so you're going to learn today what a theorem is, and then after you learn that, I'm then going to give you two theorems that you're going to learn, Theorem 2.1 and Theorem 2.2. You will be learning a lot of theorems this year, a lot, okay? The name of the teaching video is Lesson 2.3. It's about 25 minutes long. The homework that is due tomorrow is this assignment here, so please copy that down if you would. Page 70 and those numbers right there. I'm going to move on, so if you need to pause the video, please do so. The name of the help video is Lesson 2.3 Homework. Lesson 2.3 Homework. Okay, let's go over what will be on your quiz tomorrow. Any homework problem from Lesson 2.1, 2.2, and 2.3. Lessons 2.1 that's fine. If you don't, that's fine. But there they are in case you need those. You should know what those are. Now let's take a look at what fill in the blanks will be on the quiz. The definition of midpoint, the definition of segment bisector, the definition of angle bisector, the definition of complementary angles, the definition of supplementary angles, the definition of adjacent angles, and the definition of theorem. You will also have to have memorized theorem 2.1 and 2.2 for fill in the blanks. Okay? Now as I move down the page, if I end up going too fast, remember, you can always pause the video while you copy those down, but I would definitely copy those down so that you know exactly what fill in the blank items will be on the quiz. I will provide a word bank for the quiz. I will not forget like I did your last test. As you can see, this will be a pretty thorough quiz. I would highly recommend studying very well for this quiz. That's all for today, students. Go ahead and get started with your teaching video and then your homework. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all.